Hello, good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you Standard 7th, Subject English, Lesson number 3.2 Compare a Program. Introducing guests, giving introducing speeches, commencing the performances, and giving prizes or awards, if any, letting the chief guest speak on any occasion, and finally offering the vote of thanks. All this comes under the Compare a Program. Now let us study our lesson and understand how to compare a program. So our first point is getting ready for the program. Good morning, friends. It is a pleasure for me to welcome you all to this festive occasion. Please take your seats. May I request you to keep your mobile switch off or on silent mode. Let us ring into the merry mood of youthful creative expressions and forget our preoccupations and ringtones for the time being. So students, before starting our program, we have to give a short introduction regarding this program. So we have to tell them to keep their mobile phone switch off or on the silent mode because they should not get disturbed in the program. So next point is arrival of the dignitaries. What is the meaning of dignitaries? It means an important person, or you can say important person, important panels who are coming to watch this program. So they are called as dignitaries. Now, I am happy to announce that the dignitaries have arrived. I request you all to be seated. I request our head girl, Miss Shubhoda Murarka, to escort the dignitaries to the dais. What is escort? Whenever such a VIP persons come to your school or your area, when you call them for any kind of function, so there are some people always on the gate to receive those dignitaries and to lead them to the place where they can sit. So here, head girl. What is the meaning of head girl? She is the student representative of the school. So head girl, that is named Shubhda Murarka, she is going to escort the dignitaries to the dais. Now let us go to the next point, that is commencement of the program. Honorable chief guest of today's function and an artist of great renown, Shri Charudatta Diwan, President of Balanand Education Society, Shri Avdut Patak, our Principal, Dr. Ajinkya Parkhi, Vice Principal, Dr. Shaila Singh, and our invited guests, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. Now, in this paragraph, the program has been started. Now, in this line, Honorable Chief Guest means the dignitaries, those who have arrived for the program, they are welcoming, students are welcoming to them. That is Sri Charudatta Diwan, who is the President of Balanand Education Society, and Dr. Ajinkya Parkhi, who is the Principal of their school, and Vice Principal, that is Dr. Shaila Singh. All are invited, means all the names they have took on the mic to the program, means all should know that who are the all guests in this program and who is the principal or the vice principal of this program. On behalf of Balanand Vidyalaya, I extend a hearty welcome to you all. We have gathered here for the inauguration of our school art festival. Now here what this line is indicating, it is indicating that what is the festival over here? There is an inauguration of school art festival. Okay, now let us go to the next point, that is lighting the lamp. Now after the introduction, that is the commencement of the program, there comes the lighting the lamp. That is, let us begin this auspicious occasion with something symbolic of knowledge and learning. And for this, I would like to request all the honorable members on the dais to kindly light the traditional lamp and offer prayers. Now, students, you know now you all have attended many programs in your school or in your building society. Every time when we are starting the program, we always offer prayers, right? We offer lamp, we light up the lamp in a traditional way, and we start with the prayer. Now, friends, look at the amazing quality of this lamp when lit. Not only does it carry the tremendous potential to break the darkness of the night, but also leaves way for 1,000 other lamps to be lit from its flames. Likened to the lamp is knowledge. Knowledge too spreads light. It neither divides nor subtracts. It only adds and multiplies. Now what here it is saying in this paragraph, it is saying that lamp is the tremendous potential. It is giving a tremendous potential to break the darkness of the night. Means darkness is going far away after lighting the lamp. So we should also do this in our life with the help of knowledge. Knowledge is wealth. So likened to the lamp, that is knowledge. Knowledge too spreads light. Now Miss Anga Bhatia of Standard 7th and her group will now sing the school song. Now after the lighting the lamp program, now what they are going to do? They are going to sing a song, that is a school song. And who is the head of this song? That is group of this song? Anga Bhatia. From which standard? From standard 7th. Now after the song is over, welcome and introduction of the guest is done. So let us see our next point, that is welcome and introduction to the guest. Atithi Devo Bhava. Everybody are aware of this slogan, right? Atithi Devo Bhava means our guest is next to God. Our Indian culture regards guests as gods. Let us welcome and honor our distinguished guest. Now what it is saying? It is saying that guest is our God. They are next to our God. So let us welcome and honor them. It is indeed a proud privilege to have amidst us a very eminent personality from the field of art and culture, renowned artist, a painter of international repute and proud recipient of many prestigious awards, President of Kalaranjan Academy, Shri Charudatta Diwan. So, Charudatta Diwan is a well-known, renowned artist as well as a painter also in international repute and proud recipient of many academy, Shri Charudatta Diwan. So, I would request our principal to welcome him by offering a token of our love and appreciation. Books. 2 volumes of cherished life of great artist. Now everybody know na token of love, that is from with the heart. It means when we are welcoming to someone, we give something as a token of love. For example, like flowers or bouquet. But here in this program, what they are giving as a token of love? They are giving books. What is the name of a books? 2 volumes of cherished lives of great artists. Now, what is the reason behind to offer the books as a token of love? The reason is flowers might perish, but books can stay forever. We all know now flowers might perish. Perish means it can disappear, means it will break, it will go, means it will not be lasting forever, but books can stay with us forever. Thank you, sir. I would now request the convener of this art festival, our art teacher, respected Miss Shilpa Sanghani, to welcome the beacon of our institution. Now who is the art teacher of their school? Yes, Miss Shilpa Sanghani. Beacon of the institution means the president. Yes, the president of Balanand Academy, that is Mr. Avdut Pathak. Now, I would now request our school captain and cultural in charge, Miss Shubhda Murarka, to welcome our ever-inspiring, dynamic principal, Dr. Ajinkya Parkhi sir. Now, after Avdut Pathak is welcome, that is the president of academy is welcome. Now, what they are saying? They are saying that school captain, that is Shubhda Murarka, she is going to welcome the principal, that is, what is the principal name? Dr. Ajinkya Parkhi. Our enthusiastic vice principal will be welcomed by Miss Anga Bhatia. Now, who is going to welcome vice principal? Yes, Miss Anga Bhatia. Thank you, dear Anga. Now, after welcoming all these guests, all this principal, vice principal, president, now what they are saying? Thank you. Thank you.